Hello, I am Enrique Barra, and in this video we are going to see how to start our first React project. For that, as we have seen, we have to install create React app. So we will use npm, and in a terminal or a PowerShell in Windows or any kind of shell, we have to execute this command npm install -g create react app. Why is this? -g to install it globally. Create react app is the name of the npm package that we are going to use to create our first application. Now it is installed. In Windows it is like this, and in Linux systems or Mac it is without extension, just create react app. And we use the command with the name of the project that we want to create. It will take some moments because it is installing React, React DOM and React scripts, and it is creating all the project with all the default configuration. Let's wait for it to finish. Well, when it finishes installing, create React app tells us that we have several commands to start working with our project, like npm start, npm run build, npm test, and so on. Now we have a directory that is called hello world. If we change to that directory, we have everything there. Now we can start a development server with npm start, and it will start the server and open a browser with localhost and the port 3000. There we have the default React application. That also tells us that to get started we have to edit this file and save to reload, because it has hot reloading. Now, let's open the project in an IDE like Sublime, Atom, but you can use also Sublime or any other that you want. Let's go to the project and open it. Okay, we have here all the files of the project. For example, the package.json with the default configuration, the React DOM and React scripts that has been installed, the scripts that we have execute, for example, start, npm start, we have execute, and the rest of the files, either public or the source folder. In the source folder, app.js, also we can also call it JSX, has the initial content of our app. Welcome to React, and to get started, edit this file. Let's add something to this file. For example, let's add h1 with some content. And save to reload. If we save, we see that this is saved, or file save. In the browser we see the content that we have added to our file. Okay, we can also remove or add other components or change anything that we want, either from the CSS, the images, the components, as I tell you, add more components here. Those are the things that we will need to do to create our first project. We will start to grow from this starting project. Okay, so thank you very much for coming here and see this video, and see you in the next video.